What is up, guys? I'm gonna do a quick video of an update on my 370Z. I ended up buying big brakes at a junkyard off of a 370Z Roadster that was just demolished. Here are all the rotors for it. I have the new rotors in here. Maybe you can see that yet. I have the dust shields in there. And the calipers I got powder coated. I'll put up a picture of what they looked like before, and I'll show what they look like after. It's gonna be the first big upgrade I do for before going to FuelFest. I wanted to get new wheels. I hope I don't have to get new wheels, just for the fact that these brakes might not fit the rims that I have right now. I have they're 18s by 18.5 with the 35mm offset. So I'm hoping they fit. I'm hoping they have the clearance. I feel like they're just barely gonna fit though. But anyways, if they end up not fitting, I'm gonna have to get wheels. And if they do fit, I'm just gonna get the wheels powder coated for now, and then save up for the wheels I want, which is some Rays, 57 Rays CRs, the Nismo edition. I guess they have like a limited run or something like that, but they look clean. I've seen them on other cars and they look super clean, so I'm gonna try to get the same thing. But yeah, right now I'm gonna go to my buddy Jared's house. He's gonna help me install them, and he's also gonna have his neighbor come over who used to be a mechanic, I guess. So wish us luck. Should be a fairly quick install. Hopefully we don't run into any issues, but famous last words, because that usually always happens. Another quick little update. This piece of roof tile ended up falling the other day and hit the Z. It scratched it. I don't know if you can see that scratch. Scratched it there, and I think right here as well on the fender. Luckily, I ordered a new bumper and fender ahead of time, or regardless, I guess. These are gonna get replaced. I ordered it from Fly One Motorsports back in July, and it is end of October right now, almost the week before the end of October. So hopefully I get that installed soon. We'll see. I haven't even gotten it delivered yet, so we'll see on them. I know it takes a while, especially when those sales promotions come on. But yeah, this roof tile got knocked down by these pigeons up there. I don't know if you can see those pigeons on the roof. They knocked it down, and it made a hole in my car cover, so I could see that it fell down and hit it. You see a piece of the feather. Oh man, so bad. Also, real quick, totally forgot. I'll say hi to my buddy there. The fender liner, part of the fender liner came off on the passenger side in the front. So I'm also installing the new one. But that's just more for aesthetics. Well, actually more than just aesthetics. There's a huge hole, and I'm afraid of, like, it's been raining a lot lately, so I'm afraid of water getting in there and that little wheel welt. So yeah, that's why I'm trying to get that replaced. Might as well do it since we're gonna have all the tires off when we're replacing the brakes. So, yep.
Still in stock suspension, yeah. He can fit 19 inch wheels on there too.
13 hours. Finally finishing this brake job. This is what's left over. We ended up having to use the original dust shields in the rear wheels, only because they were too much of a pain in the ass to get the hub assembly off. So what we ended up doing is just grinding them down right here, as you can see in the footage earlier. It sucked to have to do all that grinding, but it is what it is. You know, it looks clean still. You know, it's all hidden behind the rotor, so it doesn't matter. I mean, it does suck that it's not gonna be able to protect it as much. I'm gonna keep these ones I found in the junkyard just in case I want to change them in the future. And I'll put in a link in the description to show you everything that I purchased for this upgrade. I did buy most of my stuff from Z1 Motorsports, including the pads, the rotors, and then the DOT 5.1 fluid that I had to upgrade to. I also got some stainless steel brake lines with some banjo bolts that came with it. It's definitely a necessary upgrade if you're going to upgrade from a non-sport 370Z to a sport. On the next video, what I'll have up is my fenders are getting replaced, and I'm getting a spoiler installed by my buddy. He's also going to do some paint correction on the car right here. He's going to paint this whole trunk, repaint it I should say, and some stuff on the roof as well. I just really want to get it somewhat presentable for FuelFest, you know. Even though I'm going to be in the non-judgment area, whatever you want to call it, I still want to look presentable. I'm probably the biggest judger of my own car. I'm sure all of us are. I don't think even when I go to regular car meets, I don't think my car's even ready to be inside regular car meets. That's why I was parked kind of far away. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching.